had a dream about you last night. Your eyes were shining so bright. Those lips and that bittersweet smile. I need this forever. Beautiful dream.
What's up, guys? Starting today's video. As you can tell, I got another package, another unboxing. This is my motor mounts, and I'm so happy that it came in. I'm about to unbox it for you guys. UPS shipped it. Probably the homie Brandon probably threw this somewhere. And yeah, let's get to the unboxing. I went with Yonaka because it's bang for the buck. It's really worth it. They are solid motor mounts. So let's get to the unboxing. I'm about to use my keys to unbox it because I can't find any scissors at the moment. But let's get to it. Whatever these are. Let me focus. Probably won't, but these little things. But I'm gonna pull out the first. Oh fuck! I don't want to make a mess. And this, I believe, is the back mount. Looks like it. Yeah, it is. So here's the back mount. I'm gonna pull it out real quick. Painted black. Bushings are good. Oh yeah, I forgot. If you order anything from Yonaka, you'll automatically get a lanyard. So here's a Yonaka lanyard. I'm probably gonna rock that. I think there's a sticker in here somewhere. So I believe, I'm not sure. I had a Yonaka mount, on my my Civic. That was like the second thing I got after the suspension. After I got function forums about motor mounts. Pull this out real quick. And here's the other motor mount right here. Came from Canada. I don't know if they're based out of Canada or where they're from, but yeah, I ordered this mount. It came from Canada. It did take a little bit longer for it to come in, but it's cool. Like I said, I probably won't be installing this anytime soon. But yeah, and I got a sticker. Wow, I got a Yonaka sticker. I got two. Actually, I got a white one and a black one. That's pretty dope. Bucks. They're super stiff, like solid motor mounts. I had it in my Civic build, and it was just shaking everything, like the mirrors and like the rear view mirror. So they're pretty good. The only problem I had with it was one of the bushings were kind of like slipping out. It might have been because I had a B20V, and the torque probably pushed it out or so. But these are pretty good mounts. They're really bang for the buck. Like I said, I got it for 57 bucks. And I mean, what for a brand name and super cheap, I would hop on this. I'd rather have these mounts than like any random eBay solid mounts, because I'm not sure how like good they are. But yeah, if you want to get some cheap solid motor mounts, I would go with Yonaka. They have a sale right now too. I think it's like 3%, like 10% off, or 3%. It's somewhere like that. Regular prices around like 65. I got it for like 57 bucks. And yeah, if you guys looking for new motor mounts, I would go check on eBay. Type in Yonaka motor mounts. They're super cheap, super good. The bushings are good. I haven't had any problems with it. I know some other people that I know that's rocking these mounts too are saying that's pretty good. I haven't heard any bad reviews besides the vibrations and stuff like that. But like I said, it is a solid motor mount. But if you guys like the video, like, comment, subscribe. I got way more parts coming in. I'm about to start building the ROV. I'm about to buy some parts for that because like I said, it's my daily, and it is snowing here, and it's about to get real bad in a couple of days or so. So I'm trying to crank as much videos as I can before that day, because I probably won't have any uploads during that week of that hell or crazy ass storm that we're about to have. So hope you guys liked the video. If you have any questions, leave it below in the comments. I mean, I can't talk, but yeah, like, subscribe, and comment.